interview to Civil Services.
Thank
Would you
you.
be kind enough to introduce us about yourself and your educational background?
So I'm Aditi. I'm from city of Kota, Rajasthan, and I've done my graduation from IIT Delhi in mathematics and computing. This is my third attempt, third mains and first interview.
How was your experience in the interview today?
So it was my turn came first. So I was thinking that I'm going to get in the last, but I got first. But the my interview panel was of General Raj Shukla, and it was a very cordial boat, not much grilling, and not much asked from the current affairs. It was based on much more based on DAF.
While preparing for the Civil Services, how did you stay motivated?
I stayed motivated because I really want to clear this examination, so that's my motivation.
Like, due to the complicated nature of the exam, like you must have gone through a lot of emotional and the physical stress at the same time. So how did you balance yourself on that front?
Because I was preparing for my home, so it resulted in a much more alienation from other like other aspirant communities. But I stay motivated because I have a very strong reason why I wanted to do this. And I used to take breaks. I used to go on cycling. I used to watch movies. I really like watching Korean dramas, so that's what I do.
So what are your hobbies actually?
My hobbies, what I've written is acrylic painting and long distance cycling, but I also watch, I really like watching Korean TV dramas currently, and listening to music, so that's it.
So what was the mode of preparation? Did you go for the self-study or was it some career guidance or mentorship, something like that?
So I took online coaching because I prepared from my hometown, Kota. I took coaching from Vision, and for mains, my option is sociology, so I took the coaching from Upendra Gaur sir. But it's only good for paper 1, paper 2 खुद से ही करना पड़ेगा. So, but I took coaching, so.
What's your advice or suggestion for the future aspirants who are preparing for this exam, given the competitive nature of this whole exam? तो उनके लिए कौन सी सजेशन है आपकी तरफ से?
यार मेरा फर्स्ट सजेशन तो ये होगा, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर वाई यू केम इन टू इट, और प्लीज़ ऐसे मत आ जाओ. बहुत सारे लोग मैंने देखे हैं, दे केम हेयर क्योंकि उनको लगता है यार हमारी तो जॉब नहीं लगी, यहाँ पे लग जाएंगे. दिस इज़ अ वेरी रॉन्ग थॉट, क्योंकि ये बहुत टफ है. अगर वहाँ नहीं लग रही ना तो यहाँ मुश्किल हो सकती है. दूसरा ये है कि है ना, अपने रिसोर्सेज लिमिटेड. जैसे लक्ष्मीकांत है, व्हेन आई गिव माई फर्स्ट प्री, मैंने उसे 10 बार पढ़ रखा था. आप PT 365 एक बार पढ़ते हो, उस टाइम में आप 3 बार लक्ष्मीकांत पढ़ सकते हो, बेटर रहेगा. मतलब मेरे प्री में हमेशा, लाइक लास्ट टाइम आई गॉट 110, दिस टाइम आई एम गेटिंग 120. So this I never read this current affairs, only newspaper and the static sources.
What was the nature of the questions being asked? Was there some question which you found yourself maybe uncomfortable or like something like that?
In the interview?
Yeah.
No, I actually, it was a very DAF-based question. So he, Shukla sir is famous for asking international affairs, but he didn't ask me. So but it was focused on coaching industries of Kota, why IITians are coming here, and what can we do, and also on the demography कि चाइना में 1 child policy, इंडिया में 2 child policy, तो बस यही था.
So like how was the night? How was yesterday? Like you must have been listening.
I was listening to that song यही रात अंतिम यही रात भारी of Ravan. If you people would know. So बाकी तो it was I actually felt nothing. I was like, okay, it's like another day, because you know na, this journey we never know when you will be out of it. So I was like, I have to prepare for prelims anyway, so just enjoy it as a new experience. So that's it.
Thank you so much for speaking to us. It was really like a pleasure to
Thank
speak
you.
to you. All the best for your like results.